today in class we learned a few one sound tap steps that can be used as accents, that can be used as loud steps. So remember that these were toe drops, 1, 2, 3, 4, heel drops, 1, 2, 3, 4. Steps, these aren't loud, but they're necessary. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stamps, 1, 2, 3, 4. We did toe punch, toe punch, toe punch, and heel, dig. Now we also learned a step, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel. This goes diagonally across toward the front and diagonal, and the feet are in a third position.